Welcome to Bobella Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Mukhale. Kanyamazana Stadium is where I'm at MFC Clash. The Peace versus Highbury FC. A game as of which has ended with a scoreline of 2-1 in favor of the Peace. The Peace prevailing by those 2 goals, defeating Highbury FC. I'm with the PZP! The PZP Collector! Sunshine! Favor! PZP! 3 points after 5 games, dude. We are tired of 3 points. Uhamba nayo le. Happy New Year, Mr. Sekara kubonana lo mnyaka nduna yami. Nayonke lento. 3 points awonke.
As far as I'm concerned. Yes, it's a new year.
Sure.
New coach.
Yeah.
New year, new coach.
Coach Masuta.
It was not Coach Masuta.
Yeah.
It was not a game.
Yeah.
It was a war.
Yeah.
But the Bees himself.
Yeah.
During the first half,
Sure.
they were leading us.
Yeah.
And during the second half, we go back to the drawing board. It's where we come with a new implement.
Yeah.
So we rectify our mistakes. And our boys, they equip up their socks. They're playing up to standard.
Yeah.
That is why finally we can qualify and then we win.
Yeah.
And it's not the end.
Yeah.
Kwanyamazana Stadium is our home.
Slaughterhouse!
Slaughterhouse is our home.
Yeah.
Our boys.
Yeah.
It's not the end of this road.
Sure,
we are going forward. The remaining games, I promise from now onwards, we are going to win.
Yeah.
Our boys, they never give up.
Sure.
They pull up their socks.
Sure.
With a new coach, Joel Masonta.
Yeah.
I want to say our supporters of the Bees,
Yeah.
don't give up.
Yeah.
Follow the Bees.
Follow the Bees.
No one can stop the Bees.
The PZP.
No one can stop the Bees.
Yeah.
The Bees are going to collect their points.
Yeah.
The Bees are going to collect their honey.
Sure.
They're going to dig down, vandalizing, searching there and there.
Yeah.
Finally, all the hounds, they will come home.
PZP.
Our teams is at the end of the road.
Yeah.
We have got a new coach.
Yeah. Coach Masuta.
Joel Masuta.
Yeah.
New season, new compliment.
Yeah.
And we'll come back.
Yeah, sure.
No matter we're away from homes, we are going back to our homes as well.
Sure.
And Kwanyamazana Stadium is our homes as far as I'm concerned.
Sure.
It's not the end of the road. It's a beginning. We are going to recover everything that we have lost.
Sure.
From now onwards, the Bees, no one can stop the Bees.
Yeah.
The Bees are starting a new point. 3 points today.
Yeah.
The next point is ourselves.
Yeah.
The goals of the football is with us today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we saw the referee there and there. Yeah, penalties, offside. Yeah, offside, no offside.
Sure.
But the referee was with not what us.
Fighting against you with the Bees.
The referee was against us. But finally, the goals of the Bees was with us. The boys never give up. Instance, they pull up their socks.
Sure.
That is why they're able to recover. They recover. It was leading us 1-0.
Sure.
When it comes for the second half, we recognize with that we must fight against those opponents. So we're able to cover the games. They pull up their socks. They're able to cover. Even the referee was against us, but they're able to win.
Yeah.
And this is not a finale. Let me tell you something.
Sure. Tell them.
Whatever way you are,
Tell them.
every team they will come back here.
Yeah.
They will bring us our lost honey.
Yeah.
We are angry, more than angry.
Sure.
We are serious concerned about our lost honey.
Sure.
So now we're starting fresh with a new coach.
Sure.
If with a new coach, we are going to collect everything that we lost from the previously.
Sure. PZP.
Thanks very much.
PZP.
I want to say the final one that every person, wherever we are, if you're a favor of the peace, here in Mpumalanga, don't doubt. Come and support the peace. The peace cannot let you down.
Yeah.
We are going to collect everything that we lost.
PZP.
Thank you very much.
PZP, before I let you go, PZP, following game, you're going up, you're playing against Eppington. What do you expect the boys to do? Maximum points. Give me something.
Yes.
Give me something, PZP.
Yes, I'll give you something.
Yeah, give me something.
Eppington, I know very well.
Sure.
The Eppington, even Orlando Pirates, they hold them down. But the Eppington, if they come down here at the Kwanyamazana Stadium, in our homes, I will tell you something. We'll expect the unexpected. I will give them the surprise. The bees are small animals. but it can give you the pain that you'll never forget.
Sure.
The bees, no one can stop the bees.
Sure.
Only the jacaranda trees, because of that flying flowers. The glittering flowers are the only thing that can stop the bees. We are expecting them to come down here.
Sure.
We'll show them who are we. We are the bees.
Yeah.
And no one can stop the bees.
Up the bees.
Up the bees.
But in your theater,
In your salon.
yellow.